Propane safety is essential. Taking a minute to follow the proper procedures can save you and others from possible injury and damage to your equipment. Be sure to read and know all your safety materials. Be the one to know what to do if there's an emergency. And always remember these basic rules when filling your propane tanks. Never overfill your tanks. Always wear gloves. Always wear your eye protection. Always lift tanks properly, and it's highly recommended to always remove the tank from your forklift before filling. Now let's cover some basic first aid in case there is an accident. If skin is exposed, flood or soak the area with warm water. Do not use hot water. Deeper tissue freezing should promptly be seen by a physician. And if eyes are exposed, flush eyes immediately with fresh water for at least 15 minutes while holding the eyelids open. Remove the contact lenses if they're being worn. In case there's a spill or leak, evacuate the immediate area. Eliminate all possible sources of ignition, including heat, sparks, and open flame. Provide maximum ventilation and shut off sources of the leak if it's possible to do so safely. If a cylinder or container is leaking, contact Ted Johnson Propane immediately or your local fire department for more severe spills or leaks. And never enter a white vapor cloud. This concludes the Ted Johnson Propane video training. If you're comfortable with the material, just close this Windows viewer and proceed to the link that says Take Test Now. And we at Ted Johnson Propane thank you for your time and attention. Please know that these procedures are designed to provide you with a safe and efficient workplace. And if you ever have any questions about propane or the handling of propane fuel, don't hesitate to contact us right away. We're glad to help.